Hey witches! So today we are going to be talking about coven work versus solitary work. Now, this is coming from someone who has practiced solitarily for my entire practice. I've never worked in like a true coven. I do have like my online Discord, which again, if you want the link, just DM me. But I kind of do have a skewed vantage point, and as always, if you have a differing opinion or viewpoint, I would love to know. But anyways, a solitary witch is someone who works primarily alone. I kind of feel like everyone at some point is kind of working as a solitary witch. I don't know. I don't know too many witches who are in a coven who don't do witchcraft outside of the coven. I could be wrong. I don't know. But I found that working solitarily has really allowed me to kind of like create my own path. I've been free to discover my gods. I've been free to do my own research and draw my own conclusions without like external bias, which coming from two scientists is like very important to me. They raised me to learn about life through the scientific method, basically. But the downside to like working solitarily is that I've never had any guidance in any of this. Like I have learned all of this on my own, basically. I kind of wish at some points, like especially when I was younger, I had like that mentor, which is kind of like where I am turning myself around and like trying to do this so I can hopefully mentor somebody kind of, and I don't know, that sounds like very egotistical, but hopefully like this, like the purpose of these videos is to help somebody, right? So I wish I had that mentor in a lot of things, but I wish that like witchcraft was more popular on the internet, at least like when I was first learning. I mean, it was like, I don't know, 2008, like the internet didn't exist. What are you talking about? Like especially not like on this level, you know what I mean? Like there were 3 YouTubers that I found, one of whom I think was an anti-vaxxer, so like what? But like especially when I was younger, I kind of wish I had more of that like outlet, but you know, not having it really made me who I am today, so I can't really complain too much. But like I said, I recently kind of started a witchy Discord group where we try to do prompts like this every single day. I have been super slacking recently because like my life is a nightmare, but it's kind of like the closest I've ever come to coven work, and I really like it. I like hearing different things from different people and like having different perspectives. It's like because of that group I really got into crystals, and I really think that they're awesome, and now I want like all of them. But I love having this group that I can like bounce ideas off of, and want to kind of explore that dynamic as I begin to like branch out a little bit in my craft, and maybe like instead of this like free form like chaos magic that I've basically been doing, just like learning like these set ways of how to do it. Like I know how to, you know, like I know the basic rules. I want to know how to do them properly so I can break them. Does that make sense? Am I crazy? Probably yes. But anyways, how has your experience been with all of this? Especially if you work in a coven, like I would love to hear from you. But yeah, like I just want to hear from you guys. So let me know, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.